Hey, what's up, brothers? This is Brad Venture again. So, may nakita ulit tayo na hiring ni Perido International. So, again, cleaner, 5 persons bound to Hungary. Female po ang hinahanap dito. So, minimum height of 160 centimeter, without shoes, at least 2 years experience in industrial cleaning, warehouse, manufacturing, and productions plant, knowledge in using different kinds of housekeeping tools, materials, and equipment, with knowledge in proper sanitation practices, and of course, good English communication. So, ang English, kayang-kaya natin yan kasi Pilipino naman tayo. Paalala lang po, no walk-in applicants accepted. They will only call the qualified applicants for interview. So, kailangan nyo lang i-send yung resume nyo, hindi nyo kailangan pumunta sa Peredo International physically kasi magsasubmit lang kayo ng email nyo dito sa email nila together with your passport copy, okay? Perdo for Hungary at gmail.com. And yung address nila is andito sa baba and contact numbers for follow-up. So, ayun lang brothers. Kung meron kayong kilala ng mga babae, please share this post para sa opportunity. Alright? Maraming maraming salamat. This is Brad Venture. Thank you so much for following and for more updates regarding hiring papunta dito sa Hungary. Alright? Ciao!